I'm Eddie Field. In this episode of Field Guide to DIY, we're going to show you step by step how we made this beautiful banquette. Let's dive in. Now you start with cutting your 2x4s to the length. We'll have a link in the description to the measured drawing of the finished product. We screwed our 2x4 frame together with using pocket holes. That really gave it the strength and stability that we're looking for. I notched out the 2x4 for the baseboard, nothing fancy. It's going to be covered over by our trim pieces. We did find studs and attach it to the wall.
What cutaway?
Look, you did the cutaway for the outlet. Doesn't have to worry about it.
Now you'll notice we had to work around the electrical outlet. It is foolish and illegal to bury an electrical outlet. Then we cut our 1/4-inch plywood that's going to go on the face of the banquette. We use brad nails to attach the 1/4-inch to the 2x4 frame. We then mark and cut the 1x3 pieces of pine for the face frame to match the craftsman look in the rest of the house. Then we attach the 1x3 trim pieces. We nail them through the plywood into the 2x4. Then I trace and trim the 1x3 frame piece to fit around the baseboard.
I take that.
I love having help on my projects. Then we cut our 3/4-inch plywood for the banquette lids. Then we measure and cut 1x3 trim pieces and attach to the top of the banquette. This is what the lid is going to attach to. You can dress up the plywood lids by applying iron-on edge banding. Apply wood filler, sand it, and get ready for painting. Then I applied 3 coats of furniture or cabinet paint. Attach the hinges and we're ready for storage and seating. For more home improvement tips like this one, click the image on your screen now.